Alright guys, got two pretty exciting things going on in the hobby today. First of all, Team Associated recently announced their new Apex 2 Hoonicorn. This is a follow-up to the Apex 2 Hoona truck that they released a few months ago, and is a 1/10 scale on-road basher. This looks like it's going to be a pretty cool car. I actually reviewed the Hoona truck not that long ago, and found that it was a capable, durable, and fun vehicle, if a little overpriced. Now unfortunately the Hoonicorn is going to be coming in also overpriced at nearly $400. Now for that $400 you're getting a 1/10 scale on-road basher with a brushed motor and brushed ESC, no center differential or slipper clutch, but mostly steel drivetrain components. It's definitely a cool car, but for that price you have the option to either buy the 1/8 scale Arrma on-road vehicles with the Vendetta and now the new brushless 1/8 scale Infraction, or you can get one of the Maverick Quantum Flux R vehicles for quite a bit less and get a 4S vehicle that's even larger, has a center differential, and in my experience has been a pretty fun car. Now I'm assuming that a lot of this price comes in because this is an officially licensed car, unlike the other brands, but that's going to be a tough sell, I think. I know a lot of people aren't really going to be interested in spending that much more money for that much less car just to get that licensed body. That being said, could be a cool car. What do you guys think? Moving on to what I think is the more interesting news, let's talk about the new XO-1. Before we talk about that, I want to remind you guys to go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell to get notified of future videos. We've got a lot of really cool stuff coming up, upgrades, reviews, bashing and crashing, plenty more news, and a lot of other really exciting content. So the XO-1, this is being billed as all new for 2022, but looking deeper into it, it looks like there's only been a few updates done to it. We've got a new rear wing, a new front splitter. It appears as though the steering has been revised, and they're going to be using some new stronger materials for better durability. Price is going to be staying the same at $750, and for that you're going to get a Castle 6S system and the same basic drivetrain and body that you had before. Their body's got some new paint on it and a few new color choices, but this is going to be the same basic XO-1 that we've been seeing for a long time. Now whether or not the changes that they have made are going to lead this to be a more fun and capable vehicle remains to be seen. As it stands right now, the current XO-1 has a really hard time competing with the Felony and the Infraction because the Felony and the Infraction may have a slightly slower ultimate top speed, but they're much more capable cars and are able to handle different terrains a lot better than the XO-1. They're also cheaper than the XO-1. Maybe Traxxas has made some changes under the hood that's going to make the XO-1 a little bit more fun for bashing, but we're going to have to wait till people get these in their hands to see if that's true or not. Alright guys, that's all we have for today. I really appreciate you joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Throw any comments down there in the comments. I love talking to you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.